wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drip irrigation kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Mr. Landscaper mlk-veg allows you to individually control each row of tubing, letting you water only as much as necessary. The company includes a DVD to help with installing everything, so you can get it up and running in no time. It includes spikes to elevate the line and is ideal for raised gardens. However, the valves need frequent replacement. At number 9, the grdnerkit does admirable work watering a few plants or trees, especially if they're in a straight line. The hose is far too rigid to snake around your yard though, so don't expect it to be able to handle a wide array of vegetation. It comes with galvanized stakes and easy to attach barbed couplings, but it is difficult to assemble. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the raindrip R560 DP Automatic is a good value considering it not only comes with tubing, drip heads, ground stakes and more, but also with a timer you can use to automate your irrigation program. Set it up once and then let it do the work. The timer attaches to a standard spigot and it requires minimal prior knowledge. However, the fittings tend to leak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, it's okay if you're not a plumber or even a semi-skilled handyman if you have the Koram Easy Set watering your lawn. The whole thing is above ground, so you won't need to dig a bunch of holes in order to run the tubing across your yard. It includes an installation tool and the parts are clearly labeled, but this one can't handle high water pressure. Moving up our list to number 6. Made from UV-resistant materials, the agsivo self-plant is a durable option that'll keep your garden healthy for years to come. It features adjustable drip tops, allowing you to conserve water without making your plants suffer. It's ideal for smaller plots and comes with a generous 82-foot hose. However, the parts do initially emit a very strong odor. Halfway up our list at number 5, you can have the Orbit 69525 micro bubbler up and running in as little as 15 minutes, so there's no need to sacrifice an entire weekend just to set it up. It's designed to save water without killing your plants in the process, making it an eco-friendly solution. You can connect multiple units and it allows for highly targeted spraying, though the tubing is stiff and unwieldy. At number 4, this Orbit 69500 is the perfect choice for the gardener who already has a system in place, but who now needs to either upgrade or alter it in some fashion. It comes with more than 90 components that allow for the ideal level of customization. It includes a handy case that helps with organization, and each head has its own valve control. It's excellent for making repairs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Dig GE200 can help irrigate up to 700 square feet of land. So if you have a ton of vegetation to water, it's a smart choice. It works especially well on hillsides, ensuring that you'll be able to cover uneven terrain with lush, beautiful plants. It includes micro sprayers and a backflow preventer. It's perfect for flowering bushes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you already have a system installed but would like to beef it up, the Rainbird expansion makes it easy to augment your existing setup. It comes with 112 universal parts, all of which are neatly housed in a large pail for convenient storage. It includes an emitter removal tool, a refillable top tray for small pieces, and a helpful troubleshooting guide. And taking the top spot on our list, no tools are necessary to ensure that your plants get plenty to drink when you have the Drip Depot Premium. It connects to any standard faucet or hose, allowing for an easy setup and making it a smart choice for green thumbs who lack a lot of technical know-how. This one's ideal for potted plants and pairs well with programmable timers. There are instructional videos online too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video.